Hey guys, welcome to another video. It has been a while, but I have had a lot of things going on in my life. If you guys follow the vlog regularly, you will know that I have a baby girl. She was born back in November, and just this week I went on full-time daddy duty. It is honestly the best thing that has ever happened in my life. Now I am back on a schedule and it is back to the vlog, back to working, back to the grind, that YouTube grind. We're gonna make this work for 2018. I'm also working on, like I said in my last legacy video, I am building a playlist for my little girl of me reading books, so those are gonna be coming out in the very near future. But today, I've been sitting on this idea for quite some time. It's a thank you note, it's a package, it's a gift. It's something that means a lot to me, and I have to attribute what I've done in the past year to this one person, and actually one video. That video is Peter McKinnon's I taped a GoPro to my foot. It doesn't sound like it's going to be absolutely thrilling or even life-changing for that matter, but I promise you it is. So I'm gonna throw a link up for Peter McKinnon's I taped a GoPro to my foot. Watch that video, you're gonna get a better idea of why I owe that guy so much. Okay, so I owe Pete a ton, because I connected with that video so much at a pivotal point in my career, in my life. I don't want to call it my career, in my job. And because of him, because of that video, I started really taking a stance on where I wanted to go in life and how I was gonna get there. I knew that I had to take a step, I just didn't know what direction I was going. But now it's time to thank Pete. He might not see this, but he is gonna get a piece of mail from me. It's gonna be this. This right here is a card that I got for my first anniversary at State Farm. Inside is a keychain. This was sent to every employee after their first year to show appreciation. Well, I don't want it anymore, but it meant a lot to me at the time, and I think Pete's gonna get a good kick out of it. And hopefully he knows how much I appreciate him, not to be sappy. So, let's write Pete a letter. I want this letter to be short and sweet, and I want Pete to be able to appreciate it. I don't think there's much to say besides thank you.
Pete, when you told the world your story about being fired from State Farm, it hit home for me on so many levels. After 5.5 years of working for them, I was also terminated, and I thank them for doing it for me. I'm currently pursuing photography and a creative career on YouTube, and I wanted to thank you. In this card is the first gift State Farm ever gave me, and without your motivation, I might still be there. I owe you so much more. Hopefully someday we work on a project or vlog together. Thanks, Tom DeCicco.
Alright, gotta go send this guy out. So, update, you cannot film at the post office. So what we are going to do right now is unfortunately a new short segment in the vlogs. And that is going to be ads. Ads. Advertisement. As you guys know, the things I've been doing for the vlog, reviews, videos, builds, YouTube changed its monetary program where I'm no longer able to make money via ads on YouTube until I reach 1,000 subscribers right now. We're at 166, so that's awesome. Thank you guys for sharing these, liking these videos, telling your friends. It's awesome. Every person helps and counts. Regardless, what we're talking about right now is advertisements, and there are a couple different advertisers that I am working with and a part of, affiliations, that help you guys help me stay alive, stay afloat on the platform. The first one we're gonna be talking about is Amazon. Everybody uses Amazon. Guys, if you do buy off of Amazon, go to amazon.com/shop/TomOverChaplin. It'll bring you to my affiliation page where there you can search whatever desired product you like or see some of the products that I like, including boosted boards, my Canon camera, GoPro, my drone. A lot of the stuff that I use, I buy off of Amazon, and you can too. So make sure you guys go one more time. It's amazon.com/shop/TomOverChaplin. Buy your stuff from there. I get a small kickback, and at the end of the month, you make me smile. So we are only going to keep it to one ad. Thank you to everybody that uses that referral link. They'll also be in the description below. And thank you to all my patrons on Patreon. There's also links below to my Patreon page if you're interested in extra content, being able to have me accessible. And it's just a fun way for me to be able to interact with you guys on the other side of the screen. That is going to be it though. Thank you guys for watching this entire video. Pete, if you watch this, we need to be friends. Thank you for everything, including the inspiration and the courage to do something creative that I've always wanted. It means the absolute world to me. And by the way, shipping something to Canada costs $10? It was a card and a keychain. Give me a break. I digress. Thank you guys again. I will see you in the next video. Peace.